Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Modella Sims here. In today's video we're going to be trying out Ali Grace hair. It has 3 combs on the inside. What I like about this hair is how silky it is. I'm going to do a quick install and show you guys what this looks like. Alright guys, so this week is a 4x4 closure week. I am trying to, customize it a little bit. At first I wanted to glue it down, but I decided last minute not to glue it down. Right now I'm just plugging out some hair, trying to make it look cute, After customizing the wig, I'm going to tongue it, straighten it, brush it. I'm going to make it look fab. So I'm using a hot comb. This is also known as a straightening comb or pressing comb. To get smoother hair texture, I always use a hot comb. I highly recommend this. If you want to get this, I'm going to put a link down in the description box below. Go check it out. As you can see right here, I am trimming the lace. After cutting off the lace, I am going to customize the pattern a little bit. Whenever I'm twisting the lace, I make sure I do not puncture the lace, because once you do that, there is no going back at all. Alright guys, as you can see now, my pattern is looking a little bit clean and realistic. It did look a little bit too thin. I didn't like that look at all. It sure looks better than before. My wig is looking well laid. It is super flat. This is exactly what I was going for. The band is adjustable. It's really tight. That's why I decided to, wear it glueless. The lace is pretty nice. It doesn't look like I didn't glue this wig down. So this is what it looks like. It's very silky and bouncy. Yeah, I like it. It doesn't shed as well. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm going to put a link down in the description box below. Super flawless. So I decided to make a very quick review of me installing and trying out this wig. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Until next time.